Mastering pricing research methods. Profitability teeters on the edge of extinction if costs aren't constantly suffocated. Why do the key objectives of pricing research in operational excellence focus on achieving a delicate balance between maximizing profitability and minimizing costs, while also optimizing business processes and driving continuous improvement? Pricing research and the pursuit of excellence. As I delved into the world of pricing research, I couldn't help but think of a complex chess game. You see, pricing is not just about slapping a number on a product or service, it's about understanding the intricate dance between profitability, costs, and customer perceptions. And, just like a chess player must balance attack and defense, a pricing researcher must balance the pursuit of profit with the need to keep costs in check. My journey began with a seemingly simple question: what drives pricing decisions? As I dug deeper, I realized that it was not just about data and analytics, but about understanding human behavior and morality. You see, every pricing decision is rooted in a set of values and principles that guide our actions. One of my earliest memories is of my grandmother, a small business owner, agonizing over pricing her handmade crafts. She would spend hours poring over spreadsheets, calculating costs, and testing different prices on friends and family. It wasn't just about making a profit, it was about being fair to her customers and staying true to her values. As I explored the world of pricing research, I encountered numerous examples of companies struggling to balance their pursuit of profit with their sense of morality. Take, for instance, the pharmaceutical industry. On one hand, companies must charge enough to recoup their research and development costs. On the other hand, they must also ensure that life-saving medications are accessible to those who need them most. My thoughts were consumed by the question, how do we reconcile these competing interests? The answer, I discovered, lay in the pursuit of operational excellence. By streamlining processes, reducing waste, and optimizing resources, companies can minimize costs without sacrificing their values. One company that stood out was a Midwestern manufacturer of agricultural equipment. Faced with rising raw material costs and intense competition, they were struggling to maintain profitability. Through a combination of lean manufacturing techniques and supply chain optimization, they were able to reduce costs by 15% without compromising on quality or customer service. As I delved deeper into their success story, I realized that it wasn't just about numbers and efficiency, it was about cultivating a sense of personal identity. By staying true to their values and mission, the company was able to inspire loyalty among its employees and customers. The pursuit of operational excellence is not a one-time achievement, it's a continuous journey. It requires a willingness to question assumptions, challenge the status quo, and adapt to changing circumstances. As I navigated the complex landscape of pricing research, I came to appreciate the importance of self-awareness and introspection. One of the most valuable lessons I learned came from a seasoned pricing consultant who shared with me the importance of staying grounded in reality. Pricing is not about manipulating numbers or customers, he said. It's about understanding the underlying drivers of behavior and making conscious choices that align with your values and principles. As I reflected on this wisdom, I realized that pricing research is not just about achieving a delicate balance between profitability and costs. It's about staying true to oneself. It's about embracing a sense of morality and ethics that guides every decision, every action, and every interaction. In the end, pricing research is not a science or an art, it's a way of being. It's a commitment to continuous improvement, a pursuit of excellence that permeates every aspect of business operations. As I concluded my journey, I felt a sense of awe and respect for the companies that have made this pursuit their purpose. The key objectives of pricing research in operational excellence focus on achieving a delicate balance between maximizing profitability and minimizing costs, while also optimizing business processes and driving continuous improvement. This is because operational excellence is all about creating a culture of excellence within an organization, where every aspect of the business is optimized to achieve maximum efficiency, effectiveness, and profitability. In the context of pricing research, Operational excellence means ensuring that pricing decisions are aligned with the overall business strategy and are driven by data-driven insights. The primary goal is to optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue and profitability, while also minimizing costs and improving operational efficiency. To achieve this delicate balance, pricing research in operational excellence must focus on several key objectives. Firstly, it must identify and eliminate any inefficiencies in the pricing process, such as manual pricing decisions, inaccurate data, and inadequate analytical tools. This can be achieved through the implementation of automated pricing systems and advanced analytics tools, which enable companies to analyze large datasets and make data-driven pricing decisions. Secondly, pricing research in operational excellence must focus on optimizing business processes to reduce costs and improve efficiency. This can be achieved through process reengineering, where business processes are streamlined and simplified to eliminate waste and reduce variability. Additionally, companies can implement lean principles to eliminate non-value-added activities and improve flow, pull, and perfection. Thirdly, pricing research in operational excellence must drive continuous improvement through ongoing monitoring and analysis of pricing data. This can be achieved through the implementation of feedback loops, which enable companies to continuously collect and analyze data on customer behavior, market trends, and competitor activity. This data can then be used to refine pricing strategies and optimize business processes on an ongoing basis. Finally, pricing research in operational excellence must focus on building a culture of excellence within the organization. This can be achieved through training and development programs, which enable employees to develop the skills and knowledge needed to optimize pricing decisions and business processes. Additionally, companies can recognize and reward employees for their contributions to operational excellence, which can help to drive a culture of continuous improvement. In summary, the key objectives of pricing research in operational excellence are to optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue and profitability, minimize costs, and improve operational efficiency, while also driving continuous improvement and building a culture of excellence within the organization. By focusing on these objectives, companies can achieve a delicate balance between profitability and cost minimization, while also optimizing business processes and driving continuous improvement. To achieve operational excellence in pricing research, companies can use various tools and techniques, such as cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, and dynamic pricing. Cost-plus pricing involves setting prices based on the cost of production plus a markup for profit. Value-based pricing, on the other hand, involves setting prices based on the perceived value of the product or service to the customer. Dynamic pricing involves adjusting prices in real time based on changing market conditions, such as demand and supply. Additionally, companies can use advanced analytics tools, such as data mining, machine learning, and predictive analytics, to analyze large datasets and identify patterns and trends that can inform pricing decisions. They can also use simulation modeling and scenario planning to test different pricing scenarios and predict their impact on revenue and profitability. In terms of process optimization, companies can use process reengineering and lean principles to eliminate waste and reduce variability in the pricing process. They can also use automation and workflow management tools to streamline pricing decisions and reduce manual intervention. To drive continuous improvement, companies can use feedback loops and real-time data analytics to continuously monitor and analyze pricing data. They can also use design thinking and experimentation to test new pricing strategies and iterate on existing ones. Finally, to build a culture of excellence, companies can use training and development programs to enable employees to develop the skills and knowledge needed to optimize pricing decisions and business processes. They can also use recognition and reward programs to incentivize employees to contribute to operational excellence. In conclusion, the key objectives of pricing research in operational excellence are to optimize pricing strategies, minimize costs, and drive continuous improvement, while also building a culture of excellence within the organization. By focusing on these objectives and using various tools and techniques, Companies can achieve a delicate balance between profitability and cost minimization, while also optimizing business processes and driving continuous improvement.